This is Marty with Skulls and Bones. I got another package from the Beard Struggle. Let's open her up. So, we're starting with the new Viking roller brush. I've heard really good things about using that with the straightener. I do use the straightener, but my hair is really like curly. So that straightener brush is supposed to help get rid of this little divot that so many of us started getting with wearing the masks. Even now that, I don't know about you guys, but even now that I don't wear the masks, except for when I'm doing stuff with horns, I still get a ton of that little divot right there. So, another sticker. And I got some freebies in here because I ordered it a while back. And this one I was excited about, so let's open this up. It's coaster with a bottle opener right inside of it. Alright, so I went with the Voxtr pack. They were running a double, so I did get the 2 Derma rollers with it. I got another heat protectant spray because I am almost out. I literally just got done using some of that. And then there's the first Voxtr. There's the second. So I plan to do a bunch of videos on the Voxtr. If I can set it up to do some like as we go along, because my cheeks are a little weak. So I'd used the Derma rollers before to kind of fill in under here. And it's a lot better than it was. But I'm hoping with that Voxtr I can kind of get the rest filled in and get these cheeks to kind of come up. So what the Voxtr is, if you don't know, it's a hair growth serum. It's not gonna do absolute miracles. It's not gonna grow hair where you don't have hair. You know, if I was a completely bald guy, all of a sudden I'm not gonna have a head of hair. But it's gonna help fill in and increase growth where you want it. So let's see, we have Strong Men Talk. That's a good one. Really high on mental health. And got an air freshener for my car. And this right here is Black Fire. So that's a brand new scent. I think I'll probably do a TikTok video of me opening that up, giving it a smell. That's actually coming soon. That's going to be their next big thing. Mystery skincare items. So let's open this up. Let's see what it is, if it's something I got or not already. So, love these. Absolutely love these. I was one of those guys that didn't go out of my way to wash my face. Yeah, I washed it when I showered, but I didn't wash it at night before I went to bed. You know, I hadn't done that since I had acne problems as a teenager. But using this every night is awesome. So, let's see what else. Oh, the wallet. I might do a special video just on this wallet. I'm very excited about this as well. So, pushes your card straight up there from the bottom. Got a flap there as well. Real leather. Awesome. And then I needed a restock on cologne. So, this is the Black Rain. That was a limited time scent. I don't even know if you can get it anymore right now. The cool thing about the Beard Struggle is they kind of rotate these things back in. So even if you missed out, there's a chance that you can get them next time. You just got to stay up on them. As always, you can use the code Skulls and Bones 20 to save 20%. If you like any of this stuff, give me a follow too, because like I said, I'm gonna bust open that wallet on another video. I'm gonna try to do a bunch of videos on the Voxtr so that you can actually see that it works, and then I'm gonna do a TikTok giving this a try because it's supposed to be amazing. Thanks, guys.